Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Character AI Plus, unlock premium characters step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Character AI. Press enter to navigate to the website. Locate the login button on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email and password. Type in your registered email address. Next, enter your password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to load your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Premium section of the website. You will be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment details as required. Review the terms and conditions, then check the agreement box. Click on the Confirm Subscription button. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, return to your profile to access premium characters. Explore the available premium characters now unlocked for your use. Enjoy enhanced features and capabilities with Character AI Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.